All right, so Super Cruise. A lot of people hear self-driving and it freaks them out a little bit. What we're gonna do is we're gonna set this cruise control right here. We're gonna do the speed limit and set it at 70. Press this little button right here. This guy's gonna light up green and the car has full control. We're gonna give it a moment because we are gonna go around a curve here and let that show you how it works. It's the first couple times it's kind of scary, but it definitely you definitely get used to it. Everybody thinks self-drive and thinks they can fall asleep while the car does the work for them. This little box right here does monitor your eyes and make sure that you are semi-paying attention. I can look back at the camera and I'll be perfectly fine. Hopefully we'll get a lane change here. It's gonna recognize that this vehicle in front of me is going significantly slower, so it is gonna automatically change lanes. And again, I'm not touching anything. No brake, no gas, no blinkers. If I wanna make it change lanes myself, all I gotta do is flick the blinker on and it is going to do that for me.